Hello, Namaste, welcome to Havilah Elsha Kitchen. Let's try preparing chicken sizzler this time. However, since it's long process, I plan to release the video in parts. Let's start with first part in which I will show how to prepare herb rice. These are all the ingredients for chicken sizzler. Take a pan, add medium cured butter, once butter is melted, add 2 tablespoons finely chopped garlic. Saute well for 2 minutes. Add 1 cup of spring onions, half cup of freshly chopped parsley, half cup of freshly chopped mint and coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of dried red chili flakes, enough amount of pepper, 2 tablespoons of oregano, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt, and saute well. Once this is ready, add pre-cooked basmati rice and mix well. Now it's ready. Take this in bowl and top it off with spring onions and serve. With this, our herb rice is finished, which is first part in our preparation of chicken sizzler. Thank you for watching our video. Like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, Havilah Elsha Kitchen. Thank you.